We know about psychology much more than anybody else in the world. We know about the nature of mind, the intricacies it poses in our life, and different functions of our consciousness like mind, intellect, memory, ego, and the self. This knowledge is very much appreciated world over. Today, in 58 universities of America, our programs are there for credit. That is, students, if they take this, they get marks for that. So, our Yoga Vedanta philosophy, if it is presented properly, scientifically, without prejudice, without bias, and verifiable methods, then the scientific community, the technology, people in the field of technology, they accept it wholeheartedly because it makes all the sense. Now, we learn about everything else, all the accessories of life, but we seldom learn about our own mind, our own emotions. This lockdown is already causing a lot of issues, and divorce cases are increasing because people are unable to see each other, accept each other in totality. This is one of the reasons. Another thing is, when they have seen so many times that you have to wash your hands and etc., etc., this could very well lead into obsessive compulsive disorder in the future. And there is paranoia about getting the disease. This is permeating the whole planet today. So doctors are begging people, please don't come to test yourself unless you have very high symptoms. But people get paranoid. कितने लोगों को नींद नहीं आ रही है. Many are not able to sleep. So for these reasons only I have started meditation. Morning, every day at noon I give one set of meditation. Then 7:30 in the evening, where we are joined by people around the world. Meditation has helped people tremendously, and it will continue to help. So we did many online programs for people to have good sleep, get rid of anxiety and depression, and calm down the aggression. अब बात यह है, हमारे युवाओं के सामने दो बड़ी चुनौती है. On one side there is aggression, on the other side there is depression. Many are facing depression and some other feels very aggressive. तो ये दोनों जो है normal नहीं है. We need to bring them to the normal state of mind. For that they should know how they can utilize their own power of breath. ब्रीदिंग हो, मेडिटेशन हो, इनका सहारा लेने से व्यक्ति बड़ा काम हो जाता है, नॉर्मल हो जाता है. पर्सन बिकम्स वेरी हैप्पी फ्रॉम इनसाइड. वेल, दिस COVID-19 is a big crisis in the world, nothing short of a World War III. At the same time, it is an opportunity for a new world order. I would say this is the time that we need to rethink our strategies, rethink our priorities, and shift the context to life. अभी जीवन में क्यों जी रहे हैं, जीवन क्या है, इस पर हम सोचते ही नहीं है ना. ये COVID-19 में जब लॉकडाउन के टाइम पर हमें मजबूर कर दिया कि अपने बारे में सोचो. कहाँ दौड़ रहे हो भाई? Where are you running? Sit back and think about what is life. How long are you going to be here? How much more you want to be in this mode of consumerism? Are you going to calm down, or are you going to invoke those values which are dear to everybody's heart? ये सब प्रश्न जो है अभी सबको पूछने के लिए मजबूर कर दिया इस परिस्थिति ने. मगर मैं कह रहा हूँ कि ये एक बार कोविड पर मनुष्य निश्चित रूप से इस पे मास्टरी कर लेगा मगर ये कोई गारंटी नहीं है आगे भी ऐसा कोई और हम वायरस लेके नहीं आएंगे। तो मानवता में the human beings are sometimes so greedy, they don't mind what destruction that they are creating for the rest of humanity. So we need to have more conscious leaders, more conscious scientists. ये आवश्यक है।